Hello students, today we will learn about folding napkins. So we need for folding napkins some cloth napkins, plate and silverware. So I will teach you some simple one first. Let's take this cloth napkin and make a triangle. And now we will take this part, we will make another triangle, then this. Now we will fold this and make a smaller triangle. This style is known as pyramid triangle, pyramid style of napkin setup. So we can put this napkin in front of this or in the middle of plate as you want. So this is the one style. Let's make the second one, which is called rose style napkin. Okay, make a triangle and start folding it like this. And leave this much, like 2 to 3 inches, leave this one and start folding from one side. And tuck this tail into this. And put the napkin on the plate like this. It seems like rose. Sorry. Now let's make the third style. Make one fold, then second fold, and now one part, turn it like this, make a triangle, and then turn it like this. You can put the silverware. Like this. This is the third style. Now the fourth style is the pocket style. It is similar to the third one. Third one has one pocket and this will have 3 pockets. So first fold it like this, make a square, and then one part make a triangle, then other triangle little bit shorter than that one, the third one like this. Then we will insert this under this and insert this part under the first one. And now we will turn it like this. Half fold, and this we will tug it here, and then It is now has now three pockets. Like first one, we can put spoon here. Fork and knife. And we can set this on the plate or on the side. This is called the pocket styles. It has three pockets. This one has one pocket. This is rose style. This is pyramid style. Thank you.